Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you taking the time and coming and looking at this video. Today we're going to start a series for Python. It's going to be a beginner series. For those of you who have just picked up the language or really looking to pick up the language. I'm going to try and keep every video between 5 and 10 minutes. So hopefully it'll be a concise video that you're able to learn from. With that being said, today's video we're just going to go over how to install Python version 3, which is the latest version of Python, as well as creating a Hello World application, which is the starter application for anyone new trying to learn a programming language. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to python.org. I'll put a link in the description. Then you're going to go over to Downloads, click on Downloads, and then it's going to automatically detect what type of system you're on. You can use Windows, Mac, or Linux. Then you're going to click Download Python 3.85 to download the file to your system. I've already done that, so we're going to go on to validating that you have Python installed. We're going to hop into Terminal, and within Terminal, we're going to clear that out, and we're going to be able to go in here and type in Python 3 -- version. If you have it installed, it should show you the current version of Python that you have. So with that, let's hop into the code and write our first application in Python, the Hello World application. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in, and I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor that you like. I just prefer Visual Studio Code when I do my programming, and that's simply because I feel like they have a wide variety of syntax highlighting and stuff like that. So in order to do that, I'm going to type in code, and then we're going to give it a file name. And for this, I'm going to do hello vid.py. And notice the py. This means that the file ending in py is a Python file. So all Python files are going to end in py. So just get in the habit of naming it with a .py at the end of it. We're going to push enter. And that's going to bring up our file. So I'm just going to save it right away just so we make sure we have it. We can ignore all these warnings. I should probably turn some of that off. So the first thing we're going to type in is we're going to put a shebang. So what this basically means is it's telling the shell basically what type of environment you want to run. And since it's a Python 3 environment, we want to type out this shebang. You'll usually write this at the beginning of your files if you want your interpreter to know that this is a Python file. As you can see, it even pops up for us saying set as a interpreter, which means this is what interpreter we're using. We can exit out of this now too. Awesome. So now that we have our shebang, what we can do is we can type if __name __ equals quotes __ main __, and then we're going to put a colon, push enter. Mine's going to automatically tab in, but you want to tab in right here. And you're going to type in print, parentheses, quote again, single or double, doesn't matter, and you're going to do hello world. And that's it. Now that I'm here, what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to type in Python 3 and then the name of our file, which is hellovid.py. What this is going to do is it's going to tell Python to run the file hellovid.py. And there you go. Hello World is printed out onto the screen. With that being said, thank you. I look forward to the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to continue to see and learn with me as we go through the depths of what Python really has to offer.